Chief guest of the day, Mr. Ankur Warikoo, Chairman of Board of Governors, respected Sri Sharad Jaipuriya ji, Vice Chairman Sri Shrivas ji, proud parents of graduating students, distinguished guests, Mr. Ersin from Turkish Chamber, guests from media, faculty colleagues, colleagues of the staff, dear alumni members, Mr. Yatish, the graduating batch, students. A very good morning to all of you. It is a great privilege and an honor for me to welcome you all to the 8th annual convocation of this institute. And we are honored and pleased to have with us Mr. Ankur on this solemn occasion to address and encourage you all graduating today. His accomplishments and his personality, which speaks volumes of his dynamism and enterprising mindset, if I may use, is like a Saint Aubin mirror for the young graduating students to clearly look into it and look into their future dreams, how to make them big, and above all, how to make them realize for themselves. We at Noida campus feel overwhelmed with the gracious presence of our chairman and Shrivas ji, who have been a constant source of motivation and guidance to take the institution to newer heights. And I would also like to thank the distinguished members of the Board of Governors and members of the Academic Advisory Council who have always been forthcoming in sharing their wisdom and experiences to help us do better. Ladies and gentlemen, I am privileged and overwhelmed in presenting before you the soul and spirit of Jaipuriya Noida, our students, particularly the batch of 2012-14 who would be receiving diplomas today. They are the energy and strength, or if I may say, they are the life and blood of this institution. They are our hope for the future and the craftsmen for a better world and society tomorrow. A thinking mind which think differently and have an inner urge to excel in life for themselves, for their family and for the nation. Jaipuriya values instill in them a sense of responsibility towards themselves, towards their work and towards society. They even find themselves sensitized with the needs and the challenges of the society. And our philosophy of you are greater than what you are is imbibed in the environment that we create in campus, which gives them every opportunity to initiate, innovate, and lead. The core of teaching learning process is the student, and hence we believe in student-centered learning. Student-centered learning requires empowering individual learners so that the ownership of new learning lies on them. And keeping this in mind, we have brought reforms in the way we were designing our curriculum. We have trained our faculty on new pedagogical tools suited for different styles, and we have also emphasized that the classroom work should embody substantial intellectual engagement through reading, thinking, writing, problem solving, and interpreting. With all these changes, we want that each student is able to take ownership of his or her learning in order to develop, test, and refine the thinking. Placing focus on individual students, we take personalized feedback with experts on their current employability skills, strength areas and areas of concern requiring intervention. And this results help students with the guidance of their mentors in designing a course of action to work upon these aspects and in the coming academic year in order to secure a good placement. Faculty members, I am glad, play the role of career transition mentors who continuously strive towards providing students with personalized learning and productive style of thinking. Mentoring sessions wherein a faculty mentor counsels, guides and handholds a student mentee have been planned out every fortnight. And besides these sessions, each student group were provided with a mentor from the industry, and we had 19 such industry mentors visiting our campus in the year gone by. And with the help of our core faculty members and some of the most eminent and experienced visiting faculty members, we have been able to offer a much wider choice of industry-friendly electives to the students in this academic year. These help us command respect and bondage across industries, and our students have been their preferred choice year after year. Of the total 250 plus companies who visited during the reporting period, some of the prominent companies are Deloitte, KPMG, Mansa, Zomato, Rockstand, Naukri.com, Snapdeal, Nestle, PepsiCo, ITC, Asian Paints, Carlsberg, Times Business Solution, HD Media, Axis Bank, Madura Fashions, Deutsche Bank, JK Tyre, Bandhan Microfinance, to name a few. The entire Jaipuria fraternity during the period deserves appreciation and needs to be congratulated. Jaipuria Institute of Management, Noida is committed to impart quality education in management, and it has created a unique advantage in the field of management education, the testimony of which is NAAC's A-grade accreditation, AIU recognition of MBA equivalence, A++ rating by Business India survey, and many other agencies which do the national ranking. Professors at IIM Ahmedabad, namely Professor Rajiv Sharma and Professor Dikshit, could not resist themselves writing a case on Jaipuria Noida and also for other campuses after understanding what this institution is all about and how is it progressing. Aligned with our chairman's vision of taking Jaipuria Noida amongst the top 30 institutions in the country, we are in the continuous pursuit of sustaining higher benchmarks with a continuous drive towards quality. The institute is also innovative in its approach towards supplementing the effectiveness of the curriculum. We have many extracurricular and co-curricular activities to guide students in cultivating and nurturing their dreams. Altogether, 15 student activity clubs organized one or the other events every week. And the year-round activities right from the intra-college to inter-college cultural and management fests kept the students busy and made them feel at home. Our annual fest Udan was well organized, and the National Sports Meet Spardha drew about more than 1,000 participants from 30 different institutes from the different parts of the country. Our students in turn participated in 6 management fests and other such events organized by other institutes, including IIMs and the leading B schools at the state and national levels, and made us proud with their winning performances. The institute is serious in establishing its credential for its quality research, executive development programs, and industry interface, all contributing to academic excellence. Contribution of our faculty members towards research and publications have been significant, as the team could publish 6 research papers in international journals, 14 research papers in national journals, 1 book, 2 book reviews, and few more cases. There are also 2 project and consultancy assignments which have been completed, and there are few more which have been taken up. Faculty members attended and presented 16 papers in international and national conferences, and the institute encouraged them to attend over 12 seminars, workshops across the country. Research has increasingly been accepted as a statement of quality, and with this vision in view, Jaipuria Noida initiated its PhD program by signing an MOU with M.N. Sukhadia University, and 2 batches are currently running with 21 scholars under the supervision of our own faculty members. We had notable achievements in the other identified priority areas as well. For instance, 45 MDPs were conducted in the year in both public and private sector companies. And in the area of international linkages, our attempt has been to achieve more cross-cultural tie-ups in future, moving beyond the collaborations we have with some of the prestigious institutions in the USA, Finland, Taiwan, Switzerland, Australia, and Ireland. Our interface with industry has taken various dimensions, ranging from live projects to students, to consultancy and collaborative research by our faculty members. Further, to assist students in drawing practical learning from the classrooms, we had guest lecture series wherein a domain expert was invited from the industry for experience sharing. We had almost 103 such experts visiting us during the academic year. We intend to inculcate an entrepreneurial temper in our students, and quite a few initiatives have been taken to encourage students to understand the nuances of starting a new venture. Our association with NEN, NISBERT, NSIC, and interaction and mentoring of students with startups have shown positive results. Students and volunteers of Jaipuria Noida, in collaboration with agencies outside, have organized various CSR initiatives such as tree plantation, avoid polybag and use paper bag. Right in the front of the college, we have adopted the street, the cleaning of street as a part of Swachh Bharat. We have also, the students have come forward, and the club believes in caring and sharing with the society, and they have come forward in contributing their own ways, be it Uttarakhand and Jammu and Kashmir catastrophes, or for the martyrs on the borders. Having said that, it is opportune here to spell out the future. Not only the year ahead shall be a year of further consolidation on the foundation built so far, but will be a period to put the institute on a higher trajectory of growth. Organizing international conference in 2015-16, focusing on developing cases in Indian context with publishers like Ivy, pursuing further international collaboration, strengthening our PhD program, and expanding MDP opportunities are few of such initiatives already included in the agenda. We, with full sincerity, hope to enhance the learning and living experience of our students on campus to make it better than the past years. Lastly, my dear friends, to the graduating batch, I extend my heartiest congratulations to all of you and best wishes, and extend my thanks to the parents for entrusting their faith in Jaipuria Noida. Today, the 30th November 2014 is an important milestone in your career as you embark upon your professional life. As you are entering the real world, the opportunity beckons you to use your knowledge in the service of society. I fervently hope that you will excel in personal and professional lives. I wish you all the very best, and I'm sure you will make the nation proud, your family proud, and also ensure that the Jaipuria flag flies higher and higher on the universe. Jai Hind.